Time management is essential for online coaches. Sessions should start and end on time. This shows respect for the client's schedule. Planning your calendar carefully avoids burnout. Coaches should allow time for preparation and reflection. A balanced schedule improves energy and focus. Good time management supports long-term success. Ethics and boundaries are critical in coaching. Coaches must respect client confidentiality at all times. Personal information should never be shared without permission. Coaches should also know when to refer clients to other professionals. Coaching is not therapy or medical treatment. Clear boundaries protect both coach and client. Ethical practice builds long-term trust. Pricing your coaching services requires careful thought. Prices should reflect your experience and value. Researching similar services helps set fair rates. Clear pricing avoids confusion for clients. Some coaches offer packages rather than single sessions. Transparency builds trust from the beginning. Clients appreciate honesty about costs. Marketing your coaching services helps people find you. Sharing helpful content builds visibility and trust. Videos, social posts, or articles can showcase your knowledge. Consistency is more important than perfection. Your message should focus on helping others. Over time, an audience will grow naturally. Trust leads to client inquiries. Building confidence as a coach takes time and practice. Early sessions may feel challenging. This is a normal part of learning. Reflecting after each session helps you improve. Feedback from clients is valuable for growth. Confidence grows with experience. Patience is key during the early stages. Client progress should be reviewed regularly. This helps measure the effectiveness of coaching. Coaches and clients can adjust goals if needed. Honest conversations support improvement. Progress tracking keeps clients motivated. It also shows the value of coaching. Clear outcomes strengthen long-term relationships. Handling challenges is part of coaching work. Some clients may struggle with motivation. Others may face unexpected life changes. Coaches should remain calm and supportive. Flexibility helps adapt to different situations. Not every session will feel perfect. Growth often comes from challenges. Technology plays a big role in online coaching. A stable internet connection is essential. Using reliable video platforms improves communication. Good audio and lighting create a professional feel. Simple tools are often the best choice. Technology should support the session, not distract from it. Preparation prevents technical stress. Creating a comfortable coaching environment matters. Choose a quiet and clean space for sessions. This helps clients feel focused and respected. A calm setting improves conversation flow. Small details can make a big difference. Professional presentation builds confidence. Clients notice these efforts. Continuous improvement keeps your coaching relevant. Learning from books, courses, and peers helps you grow. Reflecting on your own experiences deepens understanding. Staying curious improves your coaching style. Growth benefits both you and your clients. Coaching is a lifelong learning journey. Improvement never truly ends. Helping clients become independent is a key goal. Coaching is not about long-term dependence. It is about building skills and confidence. Clients should feel empowered to make decisions. Success means clients can move forward on their own. This is a sign of effective coaching. Independence reflects real growth. As we come to the end of this tutorial, remember that life and career coaching is about service and impact. It is a journey built on trust, listening, and growth. With patience and practice, coaching can change lives. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe this channel and like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section. Welcome to Britannics Media, and thank you for joining this complete tutorial on becoming a life and career coach through online coaching. In this video, we will walk through everything step by step in a clear and practical way. Life and career coaching focuses on helping people grow personally and professionally. It supports individuals who want clarity, direction, and confidence in their lives. Coaching can be done one-on-one or with groups using video calls. This method allows coaches to work with clients from anywhere in the world. It is flexible, personal, and built on trust and communication. Life and career coaching is centered on guidance rather than instruction. A coach does not tell clients what to do, but helps them discover their own answers. This process encourages self-awareness and responsibility. Clients learn to reflect on their thoughts, habits, and goals. Coaching conversations are structured but still natural and supportive. Over time, clients gain clarity about what they want to change or improve. This makes coaching valuable for many life situations. Career coaching focuses on work-related goals and transitions. This can include choosing a career path, changing industries, or improving job performance. Many people feel stuck or uncertain at different stages of their careers. A career coach helps break down these challenges into manageable steps. Clients explore their strengths, values, and long-term vision. The goal is to align work choices with personal fulfillment. This creates confidence and direction in professional life. Life coaching covers a broader range of personal development areas. This may include confidence building, time management, or work-life balance. Some clients want to improve relationships or personal habits. Others want to feel more motivated and focused. Life coaching sessions provide a safe space for reflection and growth. The coach listens carefully and asks meaningful questions. This helps clients move forward with intention. Online coaching uses digital tools to connect coaches and clients. Video calls are the most common method because they allow face-to-face interaction. Coaches may also use shared documents or messaging platforms. These tools help track goals and progress over time. Online coaching removes the need for physical travel. It also allows flexible scheduling across different time zones. This makes coaching accessible to more people. To start as a coach, you need a clear understanding of your niche. A niche is the specific group of people you want to serve. This could be students, professionals, or career changers. Choosing a niche helps you speak directly to the right audience. It also makes your services easier to explain. Over time, a clear niche builds trust and credibility. Clients feel understood when you focus on their needs. Training and knowledge are important for building confidence as a coach. Many coaches complete certification programs in life or career coaching. These programs teach coaching frameworks and ethical standards. They also provide practice through real coaching sessions. While certification is not always required, it adds credibility. Continuous learning helps you improve your skills. A strong foundation leads to better client outcomes. Communication skills are at the heart of coaching. Listening is more important than speaking. A coach must give clients space to express themselves fully. Asking thoughtful questions helps clients reflect deeply. Clear and calm communication builds trust. Coaches should avoid judgment or assumptions. This creates a supportive environment for growth. Setting goals is a core part of the coaching process. Goals should be clear, realistic, and meaningful to the client. Coaches help clients break big goals into smaller steps. This makes progress easier to track and maintain. Regular check-ins help clients stay focused. Celebrating small wins builds motivation. Goal setting keeps coaching sessions purposeful. One-on-one coaching offers personalized attention. Sessions are tailored to the individual client's needs and pace. This format allows deeper exploration of personal challenges. Clients often feel more comfortable sharing privately. One-on-one coaching builds a strong coach-client relationship. It is ideal for sensitive or complex topics. Many clients prefer this level of personal support. Group coaching brings people together with similar goals. It creates a sense of community and shared learning. Participants learn from each other's experiences. Group sessions are often more affordable for clients. Coaches guide discussions and activities. This format encourages accountability and motivation. Group coaching works well for general development topics. Structuring your coaching sessions is important for consistency. Each session should have a clear focus. Many coaches begin by reviewing progress from the previous session. Then they explore current challenges or goals. The session ends with clear action steps. This structure keeps sessions productive. Clients appreciate knowing what to expect.